Remember that embarrassing thing you did? Nobody else does. And there is real science on this. Today, the spotlight effect, the reason you feel watched, and the freedom hiding on the other side of it. Here is the setup. You trip on a step. You wave at someone waving at the person behind you. You say, "You too," when the waiter says, "Enjoy your meal." And instantly your brain switches on a giant spotlight. Everyone saw that. Everyone is thinking about it. It is going in your permanent file. Psychologists tested this. In a famous study, they made students walk into a room full of people wearing an embarrassing t-shirt, a giant Barry Manilow face, to be precise. Afterwards, the wearers estimated how many people noticed the shirt. Their guess was about twice as high as the real number. Twice. Half the audience they were dying about did not exist. Why? Because of a simple, slightly rude fact. You are the main character of your movie, and so is everyone else of theirs. While you are replaying your stumble in slow motion, the people around you are busy starring in their own drama. Their bad hair day, their awkward wave, they are you too. Nobody is watching you, because everybody is watching themselves. Think about it from the other side. Do you remember a stranger tripping last month? Someone's shirt from a party in 2019? Exactly. Other people's fails pass through your memory like water. Yours pass through theirs the same way. And here is the freedom part. Everything you have not done, the question not asked, the dance not danced, the video not posted, because people will judge. The audience for that judgment is mostly imaginary. The spotlight is battery-powered, and you own the battery. Do the thing. The stadium is empty. It always was. Subscribe, quietly, no one is watching. See you in the next scribble.